Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new here and are into luxury handbags and shoes, then this is the channel for you. Today I will be sharing with you my most recent purchase from Farfetch. As you might have seen on my thumbnail, that these are none other than a beautiful pair of Rene Caovilla Diana Sandals. So these sandals retail for about $1,250 on the US website, £925 on the UK website, and 4,200 AED on the UAE website. But from Farfetch, I purchased them for about £700, which was a pretty good deal considering the prices that they're at everywhere else. Okay, so I was looking for the most perfect flats that I could wear formally or semi-formally when I'm not in the mood to wear heels. And these sandals was exactly the kind of look that I was searching for. So this is how they came. This is their dust bag. Okay, are you ready? These are the most beautiful pair of sandals, beautifully embellished, almost like jewelry on your feet. So these are in silver. They have Swarovski crystals all over, as you can see. Silver goes with almost everything. They can amp up any outfit by adding a bling to it. I love the detailing given, as you can see here on the inside of the soles. Here you can see, which give that Rene Caovilla touch to the sandals. I, for one, have not seen anything like this on any flat sandals, and that just makes them very special to me. I haven't worn them outside yet, but just tried them on indoors and they seem quite comfortable. I went half a size up just to be on the safe side because I'm actually a size 37, but I can wear it in 37.5 or a 38 depending on the style of the sandal. So in this case, since I was ordering online, I ordered 37.5. So if you're in the market for a nice pair of sandals that are elegant and formal, but you want flats, so then be sure to check these out. They're absolutely stunning and look beautiful when worn, especially with dresses and cropped pants. There are lots of colors to choose from and all of them are lovely. I'll show you the other pair as well. I chose silver because it will go with most outfits and most of my color palette basically. Sorry about the mess. So this is what they look like. They are literally like jewelry for your feet. I loved the beige gold and the silver and gold ones too, but in the end I went for the silver. So yeah, really obsessed with these. I can't wait to wear them. Was just waiting to unbox them for you at first and then I'll wear them outside. So here it says Rene Caovilla. This is what the sole looks like. This is 37.5, 37 and a half. Yep, I think these are my first thong sandals. So if you would like to know if I find them comfortable after I've worn them outdoors for a couple of hours and wearing them for a few days, then be sure to ask me in the comment section below and I'd be happy to reply to all your queries. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll show you how they look like on my feet at the end of this video. Okay, so this is how these sandals look on my feet. I am basically a size 37, but these sandals are a 37 and a half, and you can see they fit me perfectly. So if I would suggest that you should, if you are planning to purchase them, you should wear them in store and then buy, or if you are ordering them online, then I suggest you go half a size up just to be on the safe side. If you liked this video and found it helpful in any way, then please subscribe and follow my channel for similar content in the future. Thank you for watching. Take care and hope to catch you guys soon in my next video. Bye.